Good morning. How we all doing? Got a nice monster in the morning, baby. Let's go. Ready to crank today. Everybody doing good? Hopefully everybody had a good day yesterday, made some money. Alrighty. It was a monster opening up. Could be a monster, could be a cold one. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock somewhere. Nah, it's a monster. I'm just joking. It opened super weird though. I don't know why it felt like that. Anyways. Alrighty. Let's just hop right into this bad boy. Check the economic news. See what we got today. I do want to say I will not be trading tomorrow. I don't know. I said I didn't want to trade tomorrow, but I'm not going to be here for FOMC. That's the only issue. Going to pick up the Tesla at exactly 2 o'clock, so I'm going to miss the whole FOMC. Typically, we don't do much before FOMC. Yeah, I'm going to take the day off tomorrow. But yeah, so I won't be live tomorrow, won't be trading. I'm not too sure about Thursday yet because they're coming to install the charging station in the house, and they're coming at 7:30 in the morning. So hopefully it's hopefully they just leave me alone and they can do it without me or without any supervision or whatever. And then I'm not going to be trading Monday. Monday's going to be my birthday, so I'm saying peace out and going to do something for my birthday. So this next week is going to be a little busy, but after Monday next week, we'll be back to normal schedule. So, yes, indeed, I bought a nice little Tesla. All right, we're actually getting close to these retracements, so those can come into play today. Cool. All right, let's clean up this chart real quick. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. See, that was yesterday's high. We're trading right at 4,200. That's what it looks like we rejected in the pre-market. Yes, 4,200. So would like to see us break above that level for continuation. If I'm going to be looking for a bounce, I'd say ideally that 1 hour 21 EMA, but we also have there to there 4183, 4179. And then let's see, we got a nice 4-hour squeeze. 4-hour demand inside of right at that 61.8. This chart's about to be a disaster. Here's our demand zone right there. There we go. So I do like that confluence that we have at that 61.8. If price can come down into demand and hit that level, nice little confluence. If we start cracking below 41.66, then we'll lose the demand and then likely come down and test this low right there. So cool. Ideally would be looking for this gap to get filled. It's like 50 cents, so nothing crazy. 5 points on ES. We could reject this level right here. It's just, again, inside a gap fill, it's going to be a lot higher risk. So if I'm going to be looking for any actual reject, because I don't think SPY has that gap. Yeah, no. SPY doesn't. ES does. So you can see SPY rejected it in the morning. 417, that's going to be a big level. Yeah, I'd say with ES, let's not try this 50% since SPY already hit it. And then if I'm looking for an ES reject, it's going to be up there. We can also watch that tiny gap fill as well. So 4209.5 for a possible reject. Then that bounce would be invalid. Got 1 hour demand inside of 4 hour demand. Boom. Good morning. So nice little area that we got there. Cool. I think that's everything on ES. Let's go to the daily. Daily supply up there. Cool. Let's see how this daily candle closes as well. Decreasing volume could be a hint at more downside. So we shall see. But yeah, that looks to be about it on ES. Let's take a look at SPY. Good morning, good morning. Misprinted right into the very bottom of that zone. Again, 417 is going to be big, but after that, 418.86 is going to be my next level. And we also have that, so with this is, I believe, the earnings spike that we got. Yes. So the actual rejects are going to be between 417.02 to 417.36, and then this level up to here. Because I don't know which one people are going to prefer to use. The first one is the daily. Pivot high, pivot low. And then the second one is that, the earnings high. So we'll see. But just going to watch the area. So about like a 30-cent range. But that's it. Everything on SPY. Again, if I'm looking for a bounce on SPY, we could potentially watch here to here. So 415 to 415.35 unless we start clearing these highs, and then we'll just go ahead and delete that. But cool. That's everything there. Let's take a look at NQ. Also go back to the economic calendar. Employment cost index, housing at 9p, no. The barometer at 945, and then consumer confidence at 10. Cool. Also, how'd you guys like yesterday's video? You like it? You not like it? You not even watch it yet? It's my #1 performing video this entire month so far, as far as the first 14 hours of the upload. But all right, so NQ, if I'm going to be looking for a reject, it's going to be here. I believe this 14.586 was the previous lows over there. On the dailies, let's go to the daily real quick. So you can see very strong level right here, this 14.586. Again, watch this daily candle on NQ. If we get another decreasing green volume candle on the daily, could form a little bear flag and then continuation down later in the week. But reject here and here, maybe here, but ideally would like to see that 50 or 61.8 break above there for continuation. And then, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too interested in bounces on NQ. Maybe if we take a fib there to there, only if we don't crack it. So, it's our overnight high. Cool. That's everything on NQ. QQQ. Also, yesterday was my first day of increasing size. So it went good. 2 winning trades. The first one wasn't like a huge size, but the second trade I took a much larger size. So again, trying to change up the trading strategy. I'm ideally only aiming to take like 3 to 5 trades a week, but with much heavier size. So maybe it works out really good in November, and that's what I adapt to going into the end of the year, and maybe I roll with it all of 2024. So never hurts to try to switch things up. But let's see, 350.54. Reject here, reject there, reject there, reject. Let's go with the one that we're using on NQ. So 352, 354.25 is what we're gonna roll with. Cool. And then bounces to be determined. Awesome. Good morning. All right. Let's run through some individuals and see what we like. Apparently Apple, I think they released a new MacBook, I believe. That's what somebody was saying, but for me, if it pumped up, I'd be interested in smacking some puts way up there, 173.82. Quite a ways away. AMD, they report today, so I don't care about that. Amazon ripped yesterday. Unfortunately, was not able to get any trade there. So we broke above the level that we talked about, that 130. As you can see, resistance here, resistance here. I don't like buying breakouts anymore. That was really 2020 and 2021. But I was looking for price to pull back down into that 130 because we had a 50% retracement there, plus the previous, or what was this? Pre-market high, previous day's high. So a lot of confluence in that 130. It just pulled back to VWAP right here and started bouncing from there. So unfortunately wasn't able to catch that. But this could go on the list today, actually. Yeah, I mean, I'd still be interested if it came down to 131.4 or for an uptrend entry, because that's a misprint. Cool. So, yeah, Amazon, I like that. Throw that on the list. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you guys want this watch list. We got 165 people in here and only 60 likes. If you guys want it, you gotta run it up. Got to run it up. And hold on, let me get the new book pinned in the comments in case you guys haven't gotten it. Christmas is right around the corner too. You guys want to surprise some of your family and get them into trading? Make sure you get the new book. Hold on 1 second. And I have to get a tiny URL. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Boom. Get my new book. Get a pin. There we go. Awesome. All right. Baba, don't care about coin. Broke out of the wedge yesterday. Again, liquidity really sucks on coin. It's hard to trade. Spreads are wide. The setups there, it's just not something I'd prefer. GLD, I think this is still going to go on the watch list. Didn't take anything on it yesterday, but I still really like it. So gold futures still look good. GLD itself still looks good. Just a basic pullback to that 4-hour 21 EMA. Could get a possible continuation out of it. Might have to just trade XAU USD in the Forex market, because there at least it can move. GLD itself is pretty damn slow. Google, is it a misprint? Yeah, this misprinted yesterday too. Lots of misprints. So that daily gap was filled. We're trading at 125. Not interested in Google for a little bit. IWM chilling at that support. Again, we talked about that. It could potentially squeeze some shorts out. The ones that tried to short that new 3-year low. Definitely a possibility that it could happen, just not my ideal setup. Let's see, Meta. If I am going to watch any reject on Meta, $311, we're down at 305. It's setting higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, nothing there that I like. Microsoft, I still really like this setup. Again, I do want to look for a possible swing on this, depending on FOMC. But nice daily squeeze. Tested that 1 hour 20 or daily 21 EMA. Maybe an uptrend entry above yesterday's high, or a bounce around 336.50. That doesn't look too bad. So look at that. Netflix, still don't care about that one. Not until it can hold above 414, 415. Yeah, so nothing there. NVDA. Consolidating, likely going to wait for the AMD earnings. SPX got back up above that zone. 4,200. It's really only the level, or the only level I have on SPX that I'm actually interested in right now. So watch that. And then Tesla. Possible. It finally broke that consolidation. 99% sure these were misprints yesterday. Yeah, Tesla's been having some crazy misprints recently on ThinkorSwim. I don't know why, but ideally that 196.50, but maybe if it got up towards 200, I'd be willing to try it for a reject. So ideally there, if we break above there, then we'll watch the 200 level. Perfect. All right, Amazon, GLD, Microsoft, and Tesla are the individuals that I prefer for today. Obviously, we're going to narrow it down and see which ones we like the most. Again, highest probability setups only. So what time is it? 8:25. Let's wait for this this news that's going to drop here in 5 minutes. In the meantime, any questions you guys got? Any stocks you want me to look at that I haven't looked at previously? But yeah, feel free to ask. 8:30 rolls around. That's when we will start narrowing the list. And then we'll go from there. What you guys got for me? Rising wedge on SPY. Let's see, we're already breaking above the level. I mean, yeah, I could see it. I would see it more as a bear flag. But that misprint yesterday really screwed stuff up. I hate how we keep getting these misprints in the market. Makes it super annoying when doing analysis. Yeah, SPY, QQQ, ES, NQ are the first things that I do every single morning. See if we reject that 417. What else we got? What other questions? It costs like $2,000 to get it installed in the house. As far as setting your stop loss, it all depends on where your invalidation point is. So you can never say on every single position my stop loss is negative 15%. Because sometimes it could be only negative 10. Sometimes if you enter late, it has to be negative 30. If you're swing trading, sometimes it has to be negative 50 to negative 70. It all depends on where is your invalidation point and when do you enter. And then from there, you have to size accordingly. Misprints are annoying just because it messes with the technicals, right? Like SPY never reached 410 yesterday. That's a complete misprint. However, it's going to start moving the moving averages the wrong way. And you don't know exactly where where the actual low was. So that messes with your overall analysis. That's why they're annoying. Because I'm sure 2 months down the road, when I go to do my SPY analysis, I'm going to be like, oh, we hit 410 here, we hit 410 here. Not even remembering that this was a misprint. Know what I mean? So, Walmart. Actually doesn't look bad. I think Walmart had I know that monthly squeeze. I thought it had yeah, that weekly squeeze. So, I mean, structure looks good. Earnings coming up. But, I mean, it doesn't look bad. Little pullback to the 21 EMA. Nice continuation yesterday. I personally just don't day trade this. Nor do I see a good day trading setup. I like the higher time frames though. So, what was the news that we get at 8:30? Employment cost index. So like, let's see what happens there. Yes. Yes. Cool. Let's see what happens. So I'm confused. Nate said that today the money's going to be made in sports betting. But what sports do we have today? It's Tuesday and it's Halloween. Is there even anything on today? I mean, everybody's got their own analysis. I have a bear thesis and I have a bull thesis. But at the end of the day, it's what people see. If they think we're in a bear market, then good for them, I guess. I mean, I don't really have a say on it. I'll trade both ways. Is today the World Series? On Halloween? What is this? Let's see what the actual numbers were of this. 1.1 expectation 1 last one, so up 0.1. And again, sorry if you're from Canada, but Canada GDP came out today, but to be honest with you guys, I don't really care about the Canada news. Respectfully. Sorry if you live in Canada, but I don't care about your GDP. Yeah, I mean, there's a good chance that we could chop today. FOMC's tomorrow. Apple reports. Apple report. When did they report? Is it tomorrow? No. Apple reports next week. No, hold on. I'm tripping. My birthday's Monday. So never mind. That's going to be Thursday. Okay. We are good. Can't even keep up with my days. Alrighty. Yeah, so I think our best bet's going to be watching that the demand zone down here on ES. Got a nice little liquidity sweep. That's my sister's birthday, November 9th. Mine's the 6th. Birthday, or my sister's the 9th. My brother's the 13th. We're all November babies within a week. Alrighty. Give this a couple more minutes. And then we're going to start finalizing the list. Looks like that 4,200 is a pretty big level. We're going to have to break above there if we want more upside. See how many sellers we got up there. See if it's even a big level. Yes, very big level. 4,200 all the way up to 4,203. We have a lot of sellers. Cool. All right, let's start narrowing this bad boy down. Let's see what the individuals are that we want to focus on today. So, Amazon. Yeah, November babies are yeah, we can thank Valentine's Day. But I do like Amazon, possible uptrend entry. I hate that we misprinted because that actually messes up with the bounce now. But possible Amazon uptrend. GLD, definitely want to continue to keep this one on my radar. So that's definitely going on the watch list today. So let's just type up GLD. Still watching for a uptrend entry. All right, so GLD, and then we had Microsoft, which doesn't look bad. Again, we bounced that daily 21 EMA. The area we would have to watch. We're right at that 50% retracement. We clear that at 342. Then Tesla. Yeah, I'd say 200. I think I'm going to roll with Tesla. At 200, I don't think we have a good bounce until 177. Yeah, we got a while to go. Cool. Awesome. So I'm watching for a reject at 200. I'd say 199 to 200 in that general area. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you guys want this watch list. How many likes we got? 113. You guys are slacking. Slacking big time. SPY. So rejecting off that 50% retracement. What was that? That daily one. So again, watch this overall zone right here. Next one all the way up there. Watching 417 to 417.36. Then 418.86 to 419.3 for rejects. As far as a bounce, I'm watching ES demand from mixing and matching SPY and ES today. 79.5 to 41.67 for a bounce. QQQ. Again, that 350 is a huge level. Watching 352 and 354.25 for a reject. Cool. Let's see if we have any demand on NQ, because I don't think I even looked. Got a very tiny one right there on the 1 hour. Tapped the 4 hour one already. So, yeah, nothing really as far as bounces. Little liquidity sweep right there. Who knows? Maybe I can snag a little NQ short. But yeah, GLD, Tesla, SPY, QQQ, those are my favorite setups today. Maybe keep Amazon or Microsoft on the side. But those are my main four. So cool. I'm watching today. Cool. All right. Well, Team Bulls got the watch list in the meantime. While you guys are waiting to hit your like goal, again, 200 likes, you guys get this watch list for free. If we don't hit the like goal, then only channel members and Discord members will get access to the watch list. But while we're waiting for that, any questions you guys got? Any stocks you want me to look at that I haven't looked at already? Bullish or bearish today? Both. Always neutral. Always neutral. Keep an open mind. What is that? I lose about 15 points. 15 times 20 is... What is that? 300? Or am I just really bad at math? 15 times 20. Oh, wait, no. I'm tripping. Yeah, I am. No. 300. Okay. Cool. I'd be willing to short NQ potentially if we got up there. Definitely willing to short. Only if we get up there. Getting my NQ futures pulled up. It's just GLD. What broker are you on? Should pop right up. Oh, that was gold futures that I was talking about. GC /GC. Let's see. Amazon 200. I didn't say anything about Amazon 200. At least I don't think I did. Yes, /GC. Right there. Oh, psychological. Psychological on Tesla. It's also a nice fair value gap here on ES. Both look decent. If Amazon hits 200, I'm selling. How many more likes we need? We need the like goal within 7 minutes. 50 more. Get a little short squeeze on them likes. You guys get the watch list. No, not really. Not too much interest in Meta. I don't think it's going to give us our level. But, I mean, if we popped up here a little later, I'd still be interested. But I don't know if it's going to give it to us. If not, oh well, we'll look for another setup. But would prefer to see us pop up. We'll see. See what other news we got on Twitter today. Caterpillar news. Oh, they had their earnings and they are getting clobbered. They anticipate continued weakness in China demand. What else we got? Apparently Apple news. Apple's app charges violate EU antitrust law. Seems to be about it as far as individual news. Any others? Apple got their price cut. Cool. I did actually want to take a look at Spotify. I know last time it was banned, but it did bounce right off that 61.8, and it does have a nice daily squeeze. So there could be a potential swing here depending on liquidity. So we'll see. Are we going to bounce back up? Potentially. I don't know if we're going to hit it. I'll tell you what, actually. Yeah. I'll tell you what, since I'm not going to be live tomorrow, I'll be nice. I'll give you guys a watch list, even though you didn't hit the like goal today. Usually, if you don't hit the like goal, then I won't give it. But just because I'm not live tomorrow, I'll be generous. We might actually reject off this fair value gap, but I see better risk to reward up here. Nope, I'm not going to be trading at all tomorrow. I definitely, even if I was here, I would definitely not be live trading on FOMC because that's already stressful enough. But here's the watch list. As always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. FOMC tomorrow, and I'm not going to be here in the afternoon, so I'm just going to take the day off. There's SPY, QQQ. Boom. That is everything I am watching for the day. Price might actually come up and hit it. But, yeah. That is all. Everybody have a blessed day. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 20 minutes. Other than that, I might talk to you guys on Thursday. Again, I don't know if I'll be able to trade on Thursday either. But I will let you guys know on Twitter and Instagram. Keep you guys updated. But yeah, everyone have a good one. I'll talk to you guys either Thursday or